So what's my point? That if you're going to do all these repairs, you got to make sure you're in a neighborhood that can appreciate that, right? If you're in a neighborhood that everything costs $250, it's not really going to be justified to put $100,000 worth of rehab work. But in this kind of neighborhood, you can put $100 grand worth of rehab work into it, and it'll increase the price of the home an extra 100, 150 more than what you spent. How are you guys today? Hope you're having a great day. Joe Perez, Flipping Unleashed. So today we're at one of my new projects, and I also have my wife with here, beautiful Carla. Go ahead and say hi. So anyways, this is one of my other projects I told you guys that I bought during the winter season. Got a really great deal. I actually ended up buying 2 homes. I got this home and the one next door. Same owner, same seller. He had some medical issues going on. They decided it was time to just focus on the medical issues and not the homes and the tenants. So I ended up getting a really good deal. That's why I bought both homes. Matter of fact, they really incentivized me to buy both homes. So we're in Glendale, California. We're probably about maybe about 10 minutes east of Los Angeles. So it's a great area, full of great restaurants, bars, cafes, nightlife, shopping, everything. Strong property values over here. Now, unfortunately, I got to apologize. This one, I couldn't get in before we started doing the demo because I've just been so busy. So it's going to be hard to show you guys the before and afters, but come on in. Let's see all the work getting done, all right? Okay, so there were some bookshelves, everything over here. We got rid of them. This fireplace, it's going to stay. We're probably just going to put different finish on it, some more modern looking tile. And then one of the big things is right over here. This guy, gone. Imagine what this place can look like with this wall down. It's gonna go all the way back there. There's the kitchen over there. And as you can see, these older homes, the walls are plaster and everything. There used to be a lot of wallpaper, but they got it all down. How are you, buddy? Good. You don't mind we filming in here, do you? It's your 7 minutes. You want to say anything to the camera?
Well, no, thanks.
And let's see what we have over here. It's actually kind of a decent little view. If you remember, we talked about in the other video I just released, any kind of view out here is a big deal, really big deal. So couldn't get the blinds fully open, but if you look over there, that looks pretty nice. So we just gotta clean this up a little bit, all right? So, and then we got the really big central bathroom. As you can imagine, we're gonna do this up really nice, and there'll be like a shower and everything in here. This will be gone, all the wallpaper, but this is what was around the house a lot. And these windows too, these are the originals. The front ones we can't change. A lot of these neighborhoods out here, they want to preserve the same look, some of that historical. So a lot of times they won't allow us to change the front facade of the home. We can't change the front windows or everything, but everything else we can. So definitely this will be all gone, but it's a pretty good sized bathroom. And I can feel right here. So something's lifting it, which is very common. In California, you get all kinds of seismic movement. And then here's the other room. There's the closet. That's where the AC was. We're gonna put a new AC system in. This part of it is all kind of self-explanatory, as you know. Smooth coat the walls, we'll get baseboard in, new flooring, you know, things like that, new windows, this door. Here is the real gem. Come on over here. Come on down, the price is right. We're gonna convert this area over here into a studio. So it's actually going to be a pretty good sized studio. It'll probably end up being like 400 or 500 square feet. It's going to have its own little kitchenette. It's going to have a bathroom, designated area for sleeping and all that. It's going to look nice. It's going to look really nice. And out here, that's like a really big deal because over here you have like incredible population density. So people are always looking for housing. So you'll have the main house and kind of like a guest house in the back, or mother-in-law quarters, or whatever the term you'd like to use. but that will make the home very marketable. Now, the pro is it's going to raise the price of the home. The con is that it takes a little bit of time to get it approved, get your architects, get your plans approved, but it's totally worth it in the long run, especially that right now is January. If I plan everything right, by the time I'm done with this thing in April or May, whatever, I'm getting ready to release it right around the time when the market starts peaking. So it's a good time to do that. So yeah, this thing's going to get rebuilt, okay? And so let me show you guys the home next door. This is the other home I bought. Now there's nobody home, so we're not going to be able to get inside, but I can at least show you the outside. Once again, you can see this is a driveway that doesn't really get used. Well, I guess we're not going to be able to get in the back, but if you want to come pan over there, instead of doing like a studio, I might do a designated bedroom. So I might have like one bedroom, have a kitchenette and a bathroom, you know, living room and all that. All this we're gonna have to work on. A lot of the siding's gonna have to be redone. It's gonna need some work. The keys to these deals is always remember is do things pencil out. This is a big rehab. So what's my point? That if you're gonna do all these repairs, you gotta make sure you're in a neighborhood that can appreciate that, right? If you're in a neighborhood that everything costs $250, it's not really gonna be justified to put $100,000 worth of rehab work. But in this kind of neighborhood, you can put $100 grand worth of rehab work into it, and it'll increase the price of the home an extra 100, 150 more than what you spent. And this is one of those neighborhoods. It's one of the things that I like to target, you know? So if you're in a market that can't do that, either you need to learn to trim down the kind of work you do, or branch out into a neighborhood, which I'm sure is not very far, we're in a booming economy, that can do that people are a little bit more affluent, that they will pay you for that. These homes, by the time I'm done with it, I can easily see getting 900 and change for them, easily, you know? And they're small homes. They're 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,000 square feet, 1,100 square feet. They're tiny, you know? But they're starter homes. I can see a young, hip couple, you know, a lot of white-collar professionals and all that. They're gonna come in here and they're gonna zap it up, and when they're gonna love seeing that back area, that back unit there, they're gonna love it. So listen, this is what it's all about. This is the business. Buy your properties, find the deals, fix them up. If you notice, look at my clothes. I'm not really in a situation now where I come in and do any work or anything out like that. On the contrary, you find the right people. Remember I talked about that, your unique ability in some of the other videos. You find the right people, let them do the work, you know? And more importantly, I've earned the right to like enjoy myself in life. So my wife and I, she's here right now. We're gonna go have a nice lunch and kind of enjoy the rest of the day. Now, I still will field phone calls and all that, but today is going to be at my pace, so to speak, and I enjoy that. And some days I have to work harder than other days, but what I love the most is I pick my pace, I pick my tempo, I pick what I want to do and how I want to do it. And that to me is priceless, having the choice. That's what being a real estate investor is, freedom, and that's what I offer to show you guys. So anyways, hopefully you like today's video. Hopefully some part of your imagination is being tantalized here, because like I said, it's not really that difficult. You just got to apply yourself, okay? So hopefully you guys like the video. As usual, if you like it, please subscribe. Please like justify to me what I'm doing. Show me that it's making sense for you guys and that you guys like it. Subscribe, send me some comments. Be more than happy to answer all you guys' questions, okay? So hopefully you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you guys in the next video.